What do you know about Framer? An AI web builder magically turns code into reality. Knocks out Webflow tomorrow? Hi, it's Olya from the Sommo team. And today we're talking about Framer, why it gained so much popularity recently, and should you try it out? Let's get to the video.
Let's start with a quick platform overview. So when you enter framer.com, you can see a lot of different resources. You can see different decisions they offer, CMS collections, site management, CEO and performance, some templates, community resources. So Framer has a Figma to Framer plugin just like Webflow, and also posts recent updates, and they get better all the time. Also, there is page about awards, feed, sales for businesses, and pricing. The page shows us the navigation, what can we work with, like Lottie and graphics. So mostly Framer is all about design. You don't need any code to start working with Framer, and it is more intuitively understandable for designers than for Webflow developers, for example. Let's start with this AI feature. Okay, so here we have the Framer dashboard. It is also something similar to Figma, so we have some pre-projects to begin with, and some recent projects, and the navigation panel. Let's get to this AI feature. So right at the beginning, you have a video class that will help you to get to know this AI feature. And our brief, I will generate a random brief on GoodBrief.io. Okay, let it be. Let's use this one. So it's quite simple brief, and let's see what it generates for us. So here Framer gets some freedom. Ooh. From the beginning we can see 3 different breakpoints. We can see the process of generating live. And so it gets some photos for us. So here goes footer. And now it offers us to publish it right away. And let's see what we get. So here we have a simple web page. Actually, none of the buttons seem to be clickable. So it's basically just a UI. It has some big spaces, and the footer is not really obvious, but for sure it was fast, and it is quite impressive for an AI to create something like this. Inside the project, you can also try out different color palettes and also shuffle them. Let's just leave this one. Also, you can use different fonts and change them to the fonts you like. So for text, for headings, okay, let it be. Also, you can manually change some of the blocks inside. Actually, all of them. You can move them around. So we can see that here we have some containers. We have regular, really adaptive cards. Probably on mobile, it would be better to change the layout a bit, like to make those images bigger and to have this text centered. But still, it did a great job. And if you want those buttons to work like they should, If you want to have more pages, if you want to add CMS collection like here, if you want to add interactions, you have to add them manually. So it creates a great design with AI, but still you have to add many things manually. It works for designers really well, as all platforms seems to be really intuitive for UX designers and less intuitive for Webflow developers who know only one tool. But if you use different no-code tools, it will be quite easy for you to learn this one as well, because it doesn't require a lot of learning. It is easier to enter Framer than it is to enter Webflow. And that's it for now.